Michael, thank you, sir. So we're about to turn the corner to a new year.
And there are things that you can do, of course, before then to save money with your home. Chris Schilling from Turbo Realty here to tell us all about it. Hey, Chris.
So,
good morning.
Chris,
good morning.
Thanks for being here. Your first helpful bit of advice deals with insurance quotes, right?
You bet. So when you talk about insurance, it's one of the ways that you can save some money in 2013. One, a lot of the rates have gone up because of all the storms that we've had in the United States. The other problem that we have is with regards to the deductible. They snuck in a piece on the deductible because of all the claims that were happening for wind, which is what we have primarily here in Houston. And so the deductible is 2%, and 2% of the property value is the cost that you're going to incur whenever you have a problem. Now, there are some companies that have a reduction on that. One of them that you would never think about is AAA. AAA writes homeowners insurance. And so they went from 2% back down to 1%, and it makes a big difference. So on a $200,000 house, 2% is $4,000 of a deductible versus 1%, which would be $2,000. It's a lot less. It's a great way to save money. Plus, they're about 20 to 30% less than the competition. So go out there and get a quote.
Good advice. And then what about electricity? How can we save there?
Yeah, so electricity, we deregulated in the state of Texas. So where you can go is powertochoose.org. You can find who has the best rates on electricity. Look at those rates, find out what it is to change over based on your current provider. And you could typically save, 5, 10, 15%, which is real money.
All right, Chris, next one's a big one, property taxes.
Property tax is a big problem in Texas. We have a huge property tax. That's one of the things that we raise money in Texas. We don't have a state income tax, but we do have a property tax. Typically inside the loop, you pay about 2.5% of your property value. Outside the loop, 3 to 4% of the property value. So you need to go out there and protest your taxes. You need to go ahead and get that homestead exemption. It's a one-page piece of paper. It's an easy way for you to save some money.
All right, Chris Schilling, Turbo Realty. Thank you so much, Chris. We appreciate it.
You bet.